Before God and all mankind, pleasure, love, and loyalty of my heart. This is how we do it every morning. Jesus himself, hey, no, hey, we gonna keep this off real good. Hey, ain't got the time to please don't be nasty. Hey. Top 25 installers. Alright, just a candidate. Top 25 in solos. Alright, see if we could do this. I don't even know if I can get it. But if I never try, I never know when I win it. The non-drip ping, alright. Tumbo kill me now? Tumbo kill me. Me like so much. I don't be chopping straight then. Don't be chopping straight then. Wait, one come out, see coming out in 43 minutes, 42 minutes. Alright, cool. So we're getting a new challenge in a little bit. So I'm guessing that challenge drops at about 9 o'clock, or a few minutes after 9, about 10 minutes after 9. Not sound bad, not sound bad. Hill. Couldn't even shoot him. Him down over the place. Oh boy, how am I supposed to get better if I have crappy internet? Yo, this Alaska, so man.
Yo, Yubi.
Why pray? Not too much. So we can kick up a one stream and I'm on
That's mine.
so I'll go answer. Oh boy. Nabi?
Yeah.
What's Nabi? Still have a black text.
What you say?
Nabi, it's like how lucky you have a white text and the rest of the places them are normally in a white. Always have black text.
Yeah, I know. It's a man. Ice King and Louis.
Against the prisoner.
Eh?
Against the prisoner. The place a crack up.
What?
The map a crack up.
Oh, yeah, Yubi.
Yeah.
You start stream now, you know?
Yeah.
I have 10 subscribers.
Wow. That's a good look. So subscribe then.
Yeah, I the same thing as my game attack.
You trying to use the account where you normally comment in a stream you use? Or you make one specific?
Yeah. Right now, I'm stopping them and I'm coming on stream.
Alright, I'll bear that in mind.
My stream yesterday and 9 people coming on me something. Matter of fact, I 10
Alright,
people
me get
sitting
there. Me get
there.
one heavy and one silent. Sniper. Yeah, of course. You know one. I'm fine minis too. Big one. Drink that too. See silent.
Gotcha.
Yeah man, that happens sometimes.
Yo, no one is a skill in it. Maybe I'll get the top of the watch. We could find a gift.
Hold on.
Well, on the second. Your gift yet?
Yeah, me give my brother when I glide at him. Him just start
I
playing.
just ask about
Yeah, him just start playing in the basketball now. A trick, if you watch his stream, you know, me can't enter no party from yesterday. I don't know what happened. Can't join a party. Couple little things just not work.
invite him then only. You can play?
Yeah, man. I'm send me my glider nowadays. I'm gonna do a video. I give me shout out. But me remember give my tag in my video.
You be come here.
Not forward. Alright, I'm not gonna go and choke there, man. Who throw a fire rocket?
No drink it. No drink it.
Hold on, somebody throw a fire rocket.
Come. Come over here, sir.
Yo, wait, then they're over there, sir. Knock him, push.
Yeah, I'm doing 2 shots. Come.
You raise him? Yeah, man, you raise him.
Yeah, man.
Where they get him? Damn it.
I shot him 2 times for 41 minutes.
Where they get him, man? Much no waste, man. My bad. Oh, yo, forward. We need to move.
Bite me for the over here or something.
Supposed to get to the other side. Some part over here. You can go Viking and take one rift from up there. Wait, the fine rift?
No?
Oh, somebody rift a while ago.
For that needed.
Nah, somebody rift a while ago. Oh, snappers. Come on, they want to know there, so. Come on. Yo, Yo, Shamari, walk on. Yeah, man, you can join up, man. Yeah, man, you can join up. Yeah, man, you can join up.
What do you run?
Till we get knocked. Clean.
Right, the campfire. Now, gonna fix it. Unless you magically find a pin. So the summer started by 2.
The up, come up, let's go.
You better say to go on.
Yeah, man.
And you are the first one to come in that stream, man. Yeah, if anything, you're a sergeant.
Oh, boy. Let me get close to Shifty. More campfire over there.
Yeah, then you're Shifty, but you're not going to Shifty direction. And you're not going to circle either.
You know.
Middle.
Oh, yeah, play stream in the background here, man.
That's why I did see. I will be active.
We have to go, please, no. Other way. Lord of His mercy. Other way. Go up. The love of God go up.
Okay, I start road.
GG though. I don't want me to go. I just want to go up. Maybe go up instead of down. More than good. When keep on I go down. Maybe go up. I hope something then go up. What's the game attack on PS4? UB2 be called _1. So it's UB2 be called _1. You can't, it's same PSN, same Epic.
And also,
Eh? I change more change in logo too.
change what? My change our logo. Nothing good. And as I say, you be?
Yeah.
Do you?
This one, let me match you up.
No.
Alright, after we come off of the ear, you know send me sitting there. You know, after we come off ear, you send me on the PlayStation. What's a PlayStation? You send me your email address.
Right?
Yeah man, I get the friend request, I just accept it.
Push.
Where we go?
I will go,
Hold on, this Mario. After I get my there's multiple tumbos incoming. Don't go to the castle. Up the end there.
What the crap? And then you the whole stuff from the middle.
But me I tell you not to go to the castle. The people go normally go there because should they know the prisoner. Them know the prisoner skin have challenges there, so people go open the price and go people.
Look how long people must have done that.
I know everybody. Some people they not play the game till they hear about the free season 8 battle pass and they just say, yo man, you mean man? I forget that.
I forget that.
Which might tell you is a smart move from Epic side. Because not only they lock in people for this season, but they lock in people for the next season.
Oh, I'm gonna pay, man. Okay. I
buy it, but me not go. I promise anybody from here to me buy it. I don't want to be a case where me have a bag of people every minute. Okay.
What's that about with the PA? I will buy it.
Oh no man, what me I say? I just buy it and make me get it. But what me I say, me not go promise anybody on here to me buy them a PlayStation back fast. Because then what that don't cost now, everybody knows start join up.
I know what the pass you are. Soccer skin.
Oh, soccer skin.
Yeah.
I mean, cause what don't happen, you don't have a bag of people that start. Yeah, you have a bag of people that say, you can't buy for me, bro. If they want to pay me back, but I buy it and you give them and not see them.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, in a tumbo.
The place that me check never have none in there. One Royal Computer in a Spanish show, I want a half or 3 minutes I check, but I'm reach out there, yeah.
Why, whatever. Come on, hear me glitch. Second pump. Me I try to take it, I think I know me I try to take it out. Let me get some man, GG. Let me get some man. Boy, let me get to this one, man. Let me get to it. I can't say nothing more, but then get to it. Youth. I don't know, get to man.
Oh.
Alright, you see me invite Shamario now. Alright, in there. Now, for more t-shirts to print out and soon start to send out some. I'm going to send them out to people when them, as soon as they reach a certain amount of coins, you can purchase one of the t-shirts or anything. Or if you want, you can buy them separately.
No, you more than 876.
We're not accepting no new members on October. As soon as we start accepting new members, everybody will go now. How much is that?
M's.
Oh, M's?
Yeah.
M's is up on waiting list a long time. A long time M's asked me, you know? A long time. You see me? But it was just executive decision we make along me and the rest of the board members and just decide so we're going to carry Hems in there, because Hems have a different contract than most people, you see me?
Yeah, but we the power waiting list a long time.
Yeah, but you guys never. But what you know, Hems check me long before that may I tell me long before. Hems check me before the plan even start, yeah? Why me can't see my mouth?
Well, that you haven't seen me all. You can see it. No.
Well, I can't see everybody else, so it no matter. Yeah, man, Hems did up on waiting list a long time. And when Hems did ask, he said no. One, Hems did young. Two, skills was an issue.
What was that issue?
Skills.
No money. Help. Just finish ya. Man, that's coming because spear SMG. The man coming because spear SMG.
You are idiot. You are idiot. Same treatment here get to. No at all. You need your teammate here. Take up a gun there.
You'll be having ninja skit or just after by.
I like it. Axe. When I see one skin, I look.
In order to get the picture, you have to buy this.
No, it's separate.
Why the right above you know?
Really?
You can't trick me and kill me so easy. You are idiot. Yo. No, Atumbo. No, Atumbo. Yeah, man.
You be loot and man.
Oh, no, man, him good, man.
Doggy.
No, him good, man. Him good. Make him take him, man. Actually, no, man, actually, make him take it. Actually, no, man. No, I don't have any air armor. I don't have any. Yeah. Give them. It don't make no sense we have a team and we one man down. Them run here, them run here. Me now wait for nobody come to me.
But I'm on Supreme on SMD, brother.
You idiot.
Nice,
Yo,
man.
I idiot. Tell you, me now wait for nobody to come kill me. I wanna feel like.
You be a go answer.
No man, when days are done, brother, me now wait for no man to come kill me again, my youth. You know see stream title?
You'll be not allowed.
Not come. Go down. Yeah man, yo man. Oh. Days are done, brother. Days are done. Now wait for no
You'll be
one.
not allowed.
No, but me not my youth. Watch out, no find out say yo the best way to survive in our game, man. Yo, Shamari, forward for this, man. You find out say
You'll be a use up though.
yeah, man,
Heavy ammo.
Yeah, me have heavy ammo.
You see that?
Grab that.
Can get one.
Single fire me. Oh, guess
Which
come
party there?
forward. Single fire me. Matter of fact, take your light. I mean, I have a heavy gun. Yo, so we are chop down 3 here now, no far. There's no me sit down and wait for a man to come kill me, done my youth.
Yeah, you will be.
Murder you from out of nowhere. I mean, eliminate. The sensitivity are too low.
Big silver.
No man, I end me any stream after that match of stream, so just make me know. What fire that? Love crossbow. What love crossbow?
Not me.
Alright, somebody shoot after with him.
Where is it?
Okay, yeah, boy. 12 views up.
Hold on, wait, so you get your chest out of this, sir?
They can't get it out.
I don't know. This is
Fish are good people. Hear them there, them above way. Not them.
Wait, me a come.
go funny.
No man, wait, them a fly over.
Alright, run forward.
Them a go southwest.
One of you, them days they don't know you. Push over, push one of you. Come where you be there, brother.
Yeah, I see that.
Two of them. One from card, Kaka. Don't make you any. Yes, man.
Nah man, I'm good man. I'm good enough. I'm run out of bullets a while. Actually, you know real
That
life.
man. Boy? You just around to everything. You know wanna pump, take up pump now you be?
Hold on,
I tell you man, change it.
I'm good man.
Man, next stop, brother.
Who want pump ammo?
Nah come.
Yo, use it because
Nah come.
bandage.
Nah come.
Bandage, see it.
Hold on, nah fall.
Ah.
Twelve views out. Move up, Phantom. No wait for you, you know?
Yeah man, me a wait on you. I check safe.
You got engaged, you know, go ahead. Knock him.
You in a war? I want that in a war?
Yeah, hurry up. Up top. Out of dusty, just right out of dusty.
Nah man.
Man
yeah.
never know. That's what we know, brother.
Number work, me no better. I feel let any people them know. Where them there?
Right out. See, right where they see me? Try get a shot off. Then you then look like them good enough. I'm gonna push them.
Alright.
Watch out. Man, stop over. Leave me.
Come on, go now.
You be stop crouch, brother. I'll give you no one head. Yes,
I got
man.
you, man. I got you. No, Tumbo.
Guy, come and give you something.
Yeah. But I swear me hear some gliding.
Yo, you can give me the glider? Or you don't have it yet?
No,
The
me
free
already,
one.
me already give my brother, so me can't give it to anybody.
This meat not Shamari.
Huh?
Yeah, give me.
Yeah. But you give somebody, but the person I want to give me back.
Cause they can't do it, brother.
Oh,
That's
you
why.
put up a launch pad. No man, you see, you get 3 gifts per day, but you can only give one at the same item. You can't give the same item
Wait,
twice.
it's rather not gone anyways.
No man, it was still, you see if you don't gift it to anybody yet, you can still did it.
Oh.
Oh, me see them. Them the Southwest 259.
I don't see I forgot your back. You see two computers in the pavilion. And they must have this card. Must somebody buy it for you. You'll be away by your gift card.
Sitting there. Raheem, when win one from in our giveaway, you know?
You see, while you there, right? You win one from now, giveaway.
But if you want, and if you buy, me know say Web Deals JA sell them.
Oh. You want to go on the website and then thief my money.
No man, them not gonna thief your money, man. Trust me, them legit, man. Hold on, let me phone first. Just I hope that you can push.
You tell us a bit, be a fool. Why, I thought this was... Movement, children, movement. When you suffer for all of you.
Where my boy then?
Outside a fight. No, next year.
No, don't go to YouTube because I can just snipe him.
Oh, let me see.
Yes. What?
You shouldn't, Bill. You shouldn't, Bill.
Yeah, you'll be. So you want the up top? Get that one the up top now?
What?
I don't know if you, Bill.
No push it, man. The third party.
Hold on, wait.
People third party are always different.
I don't know where the other set them go. A 9 away left. You know where 3 away them, I don't know where the other 6 is.
On the hill.
Yeah. Alright, them a come out.
And then I'm about to pass that down to you. Papa. Look at you that. Man, tuna on a turret, you have a sniper. You have 4 spectators. No food. No man, you'll be that. Nah, they're not a faster fire. That is the ammo. And you will.
Ask the other player for ammo. Got him up now.
Ammo, Gus, big, small ammo. Gus, small ammo.
Light ammo. Drop some light ammo.
Don't like a diff in this.
No.
Yeah, you have big guy, no man. Big guy. Man, man. Be a foolish man, dude.
can figure out lucky man.
You just sniper fine.
But you take a pick somebody there. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, you think that? Phone that 80 right amount man and you can't share that.
No.
And lit down the youth the base, no? Yeah, so I'm never survive, you know. A problem, you know. Yes, you try to sleep up. Yeah. Yes, man. Don't feel like them out, man.
Then go and kill off themselves.
Yeah.
Actually,
him foot down there now, you be. Try to catch him foot now. He's gone.
YouTube. Oh. Come to this slurp. Slurp. Box and game one slurp. YouTube is on.
Where's that?
See you.
It in a other something over there, sir. Way big.
You know my phone.
Hey, nah, no phone. Oh shit. So are you there? Go on, move. Go start something. Build. All angles. Yeah, you will be. Yeah. You there.
Boy, them lucky man, I saw him kill me, you know?
Good luck.
I saw him kill me, man. Don't sit here. All that shit on even. GG. Oh boy, we need some more work, yo. Take my time on work on my skills, yo. I need to get better. Go send me friend request. Alright, we ain't got a bridge, you know. Alright, yo, people, that's it for the stream, you know, people. Thank you guys for coming through. Thanks for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every single time we drop a video or go live. We'll try to go live every morning around the same time. And in the afternoon, now we upload. And don't forget to check out the 876 Plan page, of course. And don't forget to check out GamerZ TV as well. GamerZ TV. Good you. Don't forget Killer God Lovers. Yo, what's up, Gus? It's in the description. It's in the chat right now. Go there, subscribe to him channel. Good you. See me? So yeah, that's it for the stream, people. Yeah, enough respect to Gus. Yeah, take care of yourself. Gus, this is the last game, so I'm actually coming out right now, alright?
Yeah.
So, yeah, Shamari, if you want to run some duos with me, cool. Alright, good, man. Alright, so Gus, appreciate it. Gracias, usted en hablar en inglés. You say.
No. I'll leave an invite him to it later, yeah.
Yeah, man. Add him first. Alright. Alright, so Gus, I'll catch you later, alright?